Joshua, and this is Can It Quesadilla. This is a channel where we make different quesadillas every video and see if the ingredients can or can't quesadilla. This week is Teacher Appreciation Week. We took suggestions from teacher every single week, and this is the last day. So we'll be able to get your guys' suggestions in as well. What we have today, Andrew, is Mr. Wadham's quesadilla. He's our guidance counselor, and this looks really good. It's a breakfast quesadilla.
It's breakfast time, baby.
It is breakfast time.
Yeah.
We got all the types of breakfast things. It's technically like a burrito, not a taco, quesadilla. Okay, we have many breakfast. It's more like a omelet. It's like an omelet. We have bacon, oh no, be careful. It's bacon. Oh. Okay, bacon, hot sauce, beans, eggs, and avocado. And then we got our amazing tortillas. And
let's just pile this bacon up. Yeah, I'm just gonna save it for a secret stash.
Andrew, we forgot the cheese again. Mexican cheese. Okay, now let's cook.
So first we're gonna preheat the skillet, and as usual, I'm gonna add butter to make the quesadilla more crispy and better tasting.
Oh no, Andrew, we're out of tortillas.
It didn't.
Wait, Andrew, we're out of tortillas. This is our last tortilla. We gotta make it special. Okay, let's spread the butter around so I can get on the tortilla and the skillet. Let's make it so my sleeve won't get in this pan because the sleeve's a little long, so I'll roll it up a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna add our cheese.
I do it. Okay, now I'm gonna try to take a handful of cheese, which
We'll take about 2 or 3 handfuls. Actually, I think that's good because of all the stuff we're gonna put on there.
hold on.
Ow!
Why is this ripped?
Because everything's ripped. Stop! I said.
You can't trust me. I put a lot of cheese.
Okay, bacon. No, beans.
Time to put some beans on.
They look like roly-poly. Okay, that's good. There's a.
That wasn't all of it. Do you want to put all?
No, we have like eggs and stuff. Okay, bacon.
Oh, it's already open. Well, I could see from the intro. Yeah.
No. Just let me do it. I guess that's good. Okay, now we can add a little bit more. There we go. And now we're gonna add our eggs. I think this is gonna be a super cramped up quesadilla. I don't know if the adjective goes with this quesadilla. It does, but I don't think it fits in yeah. I think this is gonna be a very thick quesadilla is what I mean. Not thick with 2 C's, not thick with 5, thick with many.
15.
Now we're gonna add
Or
our
even 20 C's.
avocado. Oh yeah, just the whole thing on there. It's still in avocado form. Now we're gonna add our hot sauce. Cause I'm the hot sauce boss.
No, I'm the hot sauce boss.
Too late, I'm already the house boss. Okay, that's good. That's more than good. It's a lot. Okay, we got our spatula, and this is gonna be super hard. Ow. I don't know. No, the avocado. Okay, just we're gonna open that back up for a sec. Boom. Perfect, kind of. Not perfect, but kind of perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we wait. smoking. Ooh. I actually think, now that I think about it, I think it's either the eggs or the hot sauce I put in there, because I put loads of hot sauce. Over here, you can't really see it. It's like orange. I'm not sure if that's the hot sauce or it's just been cooking there, but it's orange. You'll probably see it when I flip it. It's kind of smoking a little bit, so just to make sure it's not burnt. Let's make sure. I think that's ready to flip. Boom, perfect. That's like perfectly crispy. Now let's see if I can show you that orange part I was talking about right there. That orange part, I think it's hot sauce. Well, like I've always said, it cooks faster on the bottom, so I'm gonna make sure that it's, yeah, I think that's done. That was a really bad way to pick it up, just to be sure. Get the plate out here. I've hit my elbow on it like 12 times already. Okay, time to review. Hey guys, we're here with the review with our dad. Again, like always, he's
every video.
Amazing.
Oh, thanks guys, thanks. We'll get more guests in here soon, but when we don't have guests, I'll do it, the taste test. If you're a celebrity and you're watching this, John Cena, I'm talking to you. Come on by, try some quesadillas. We'll even cook your suggestion. We'll just skip ahead of all 40 people who've requested it and do yours first. 50 people. I'm hearing from the back, the production manager, 55. We have 55 on the list now. But if you're a celebrity or you're not a celebrity and you want to do quesadilla, if you're anybody, if you're a human being, we don't take dogs, although maybe we will.
We might.
And you want to do quesadilla, chit chat in the comment section below and let us know that you want to do quesadilla, and the next time you're in our town, you can come on by our house and we will quesadilla all for you.
Yeah. So
what do we have?
We have there's a lot of ingredients in there.
All right, let's go over.
We've got beans, eggs, hot sauce, beans, eggs, cheese, bacon, cheese, avocado.
Is that 7 things? I lost count because you were talking so fast.
And a tortilla.
Wow, okay. Who suggested this quesadilla today?
Mr. Wadham.
Mr. Wadham, this sounds quite amazing.
Oh, and just by the way, I kind of overdid it with the hot sauce.
Well, I like hot sauce. But,
I might. I don't know.
Mr. Wadham, amazing, hilarious, nice guidance counselor. We love him when he teaches in our class. It's funny because when he comes in to teach in our ELA, go watch Mrs. Walther's video. That one was good. But when he comes in to teach for Mrs. Walther's, everybody cheers. Like they're just like celebrating
man.
everywhere.
What a reception. I wish people cheered when I walked in the room.
But it's awesome.
Maybe.
We love having him in there and teaching. Sometimes when he comes in our classroom, he doesn't do it a lot, but he sometimes goes in just to like say some stuff. And sometimes people are like, Mr. Wadham. Like they're confused why he's there. It's funny.
Well, that's really interesting. So he's a guidance counselor, but he also teaches sometimes?
Well, yeah, he's like, he comes in and he teaches us like mediation and stuff, and that looks crazy.
That I'm gonna steal this avocado. Is that okay?
Yeah.
I'll just take half of it. All right.
Yeah, the avocado is just
I
kind
love
of in
avocado.
the middle.
And being where we are, they're not as common as other places in the United States. It doesn't feel too hot, so I think we can just dive right in.
Oh yeah.
Andrew's got the big piece, Joshua's got the medium piece, and I've got the small piece.
Thank you.
Whenever you're ready, just take a nice, huge bite.
Ooh, it's hot. It can.
It's not that hot.
It's not that hot, so I guess it can, quesadilla. It can. It's hot, though.
Yeah, definitely this can. I actually, if I was to make a breakfast quesadilla, I probably would forget about beans. I usually do. Every time we make Mexican food, I'm like, I want to put beans on this. Black beans or refried beans, I like them all. Or pinto beans or anything. Like all beans. I always forget. I'm glad that this has beans on it. It really adds to like the texture of the quesadilla. Gives it a more full feeling. Like you could eat one of these quesadillas. Like when I make a cheese quesadilla, I usually eat like 2 or 3 of them because I just chow down.
I feel like
This you could eat one of and you're done.
Yeah.
So this is a nice full breakfast. This will get you going for the rest of the day, or it'll set you up very nicely for what I like to call the afternoon dad nap, in which I get really full and I take a nap around 1:30.
Hibernation.
Exactly. Put on a baseball game, fall asleep in the 3rd inning, wake up in the 7th. Hey, you don't miss anything, right? It's perfect.
7th inning stretch.
7th inning stretch. It's when Dad wakes up. That's probably why they call it that.
I feel like the hot sauce helps it.
Yeah, I think the hot sauce definitely helps. I'm gonna take another bite. I'm gonna get some of that avocado in there. Okay. A lot of cheese. You did the cheese, didn't you? How many handfuls this time?
Almost 3.
You're supposed to police that.
Oh, 3 cans? That's how you know to try it.
That's right, 3 cans. That's how you know.
Don't put that much hot sauce in it though. My stomach's already acting up to that hot sauce. I don't know why.
Bummer. All right, well, let's get going so Joshua can go to the bathroom, everyone. If you're one of the girls in his class and you got a little crush on Joshua, he's going to go to the bathroom right now.
Hey, guys. No. Do you guys have a crush on me?
If you have a crush
Too
on
late.
Andrew,
It's too late.
it's too late. It's too late.
It's too late.
Well, it's too late for Andrew,
Sorry,
but
you
it's
hear
not
what's
too
up?
late for Joshua. If you need to get a hold of him, he'll be in the bathroom.
Yep. Just, yeah.
Let's walk out of this episode. We've been here a while.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Comment suggestions down below, please. And we'll see you next time on Can It Quesadilla. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for Teacher Appreciation Week. Appreciate your teachers.
Appreciate your teachers. Bye, 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 bye.